What's up guys? Welcome to Tommy Unboxing Review. I'm Tommy. Now today I'm gonna show you the Traction Hobbies new crawlers. You can see this is a huge box. Now let's unbox it. You can see this is Brabus G550 1/8 scale. No, this is another set. This is Noble Light Noble MB4 transmitter. Well, I think this is most expensive RDR transmitters. Wow, look at it. The Brabus logo. Oh, this is a gift for the Chinese fans. 2020 is the Chinese New Year. It's a mouse. It's a mouse year. Guess what is in it? The battery tree, front battery tree. Well, the stickers. Oh, it's a little bit hard to pull it out. Now, you see the big, huge Brabus G550. It is a 1/8 scale crawler, all black. You can see the tires, it's a Brabus logo. By the way, the body is authorized by Brabus, by Mercedes Benz. This tire is 120 millimeters long. So as I think you know, this is not a big, but it is a scale tire, just like the real one. You can see the textures of the tires is so soft. The back tire. Now let's look at the Chinese gift. Oh, it's Chinese shocks. So beautiful. The red represents happy in Chinese cultures. After but a few hours later, I finished assembled the body and the chassis. Just look at the beautiful big body. You can see this is the cables I just added by myself. Just like the real car, it can put the branch away when you travel. Now look at the Brabus logo and this body is so detailed. Let's just put it out, just like this. Now let's ensure this here highlights, the running lights, the up running lights, and maybe this is a fog light, and this is turn lights 1, 2, 3, and this is the reverse light, the fog lights, and the brake lights. So detailed. And this is aluminum. If like it. The reverse mirror, windshield, and this is a back tire. You can see there was a lot of wears. This is so complicated. This body is so heavy, it's just about maybe 1.3 kilograms. Now let's introduce the chassis. The chassis is similar to the Traction Hobbies Craftsman 2. That is the fourth of the Traction Hobbies crawlers. And this is the fifth. You can see the shocks. This is a dual wheel shock. And this is a 2.2 inch wheel with a 4.75 inch tires. This is a scale tire. Exhaust pipe, see, so detailed, just like the real. It's a scale exhaust. Now I just add a speakers, just a speakers and speak controller, and I just change the battery tray from here rear to the front, so it may be a little bit helpful for crawling. I think the chassis is more beautiful and more detailed than the Craftsman 2. It has a front drive, rear drive, 4-wheel drive. It's the world's first truck has the 3-drive system. All metal. And this 1.8-gear truck, you can see it has a 775 motor. It's so big and it has more torque than the 550s motors. And with a Hobbywing 880, it can up to support the 4S legal. And next time it can, you can see here the shocks mount. You can put another shocks, the shocks on here, 2 shocks. All the car will be 8 shocks. Oh, by the way, this is a aluminum. No, this is a steel protect. The axials all nylon, not metal. Nylon, but it's so detailed. In the future, the 4x4 wheel, you can see here, it can change to 6x6 G63 in the future, maybe in April this year. Now let's introduce the transmitter. The transmitter is Flash Gas MV4 Lite. You can see it is nearly all the same with my MV4, but the battery is empty. Now this is a portable battery. In the light version, it's empty in here, but I think the battery in here is enough. The whole car is so heavy, it's up to 6.1 kilograms. Thanks for watching. Please make comments down below and I will see you next time. Bye!